We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Autocad software.
Hello friends, welcome to our video. Today we will discuss about 3-dimension tools in Autocad. First one is dimension space. Second is continue dimension. And the last one is baseline dimension. Let's move to the video to know more about each tool. For activating these tools, these are the commands we used. For dimension space, we use the command dim space. For continue dimension, use the command dim cont. Baseline dimension used dim base. First we learn how to use dimension space. Here 3 dimensions are shown in the figure. For adjusting the gap between the dimension, we can use dimension space tool. This can active from dimension tab or using the command dim space. Click on dimension tab, select dimension space from the drop down list. First we select the base dimension. Here I select this. Then select the dimensions to space. Here I select the other 2 dimensions. Then press enter. Now we have 2 options. One is auto adjust or enter the offset value from the base. Here I use automatic adjustment. Now you can see the gap between the 3 dimension is automatically adjusted and it is more easy to read. Next we learn how to make a continue dimension. Continue dimension is available on dimension tab. Click on dimension tab, select the continue dimension from the drop down list. Before selecting the continue dimension, we must done a linear dimension. The reason is continue dimension is started endpoint of linear dimension. Next select the dimension continue. Now you can see the dimension is started from the endpoint of first linear dimension. Now you can repeat the continue dimension like this and easily measure the linear distance of each segment. Next we learn how to perform baseline dimension. Baseline dimension is available on dimension tab or using the command dim base. Similar to continue dimension, before doing baseline dimension, first we make a linear one. Then select baseline dimension. Now you can see the baseline dimension is started from the starting point of first linear dimension. This can be continued like this. Thank you for watching this video.